This is the story of a car lost for years in the depths of the jungle, an old, rusty Toyota Corolla 1980. Almost erased by time itself, covered in dirt, hidden under trees. Like it never even existed, but every old thing carries the potential for a new beginning.
And then, one day, everything changed. This forgotten car was pulled out of the jungle. Like bringing the past back to life, every step was difficult. Every moment a challenge, but hope was still alive. This wasn't just a car. It was a dream waiting to be reborn.
Inside the workshop, a new story began. Years of dirt were washed away. Rust was completely removed, every part was rebuilt. Every scratch was erased, and slowly, that same old Corolla started. And finally, the moment everyone was waiting for arrived, a rusty shell had now transformed into a shining new car, in pure white. Glowing like a showroom masterpiece, this wasn't just restoration. It was a new life. If you love stories like this, don't forget to like and subscribe.